Here at Valensa, our mission is to enhance health through pure, sustainable, and science-based nutraceuticals. Located in Central Florida, Valensa has been pioneering the supply chain, extraction, and science of saw palmetto oil for 20 years. Saw palmetto, or Serenoa repens, is a palm indigenous to the southeastern part of the U.S. Some saw palmetto plants are estimated to be hundreds of years old. In 1879, saw palmetto was introduced to the medical field when it appeared in the American Journal of Pharmacy. Its use became increasingly common in Europe in the 20th century and continues to be used there as an herbal medicine. Saw palmetto as a dietary supplement experienced significant growth in America in the 1990s, with a focus on benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH, the non-malignant enlargement of the prostate. BPH is a condition that impacts quality of life for 14 million men over the age of 50 in the U.S. alone, and is accompanied by lower urinary tract symptoms, or LUTS, that include increased frequency of urination and increased nighttime urination. The fact that saw palmetto does not grow indigenously in any other part of the world makes sustainability and traceability an important part of the supply chain for this gem from nature. Valensa's GEMS Supply Chain Excellence Program ensures that we responsibly harvest and source ripe berries through relationships with landowners and harvesters, based on the GEMS pillars of traceability, sustainability, purity, and responsibility. We produce the world's first and only USP-verified Lipidosterolic saw palmetto extract. Harvesting is done across the state of Florida and some parts of Georgia from August through September. After harvest, berries are immediately processed and dried at our LaBelle Botanics Farm operations in North Florida to lock in key nutrients. They can then be stored for several years, giving Valensa the ability to build inventory based on customer demand. Dried berries are then transported to our state-of-the-art manufacturing site in Central Florida, where they are extracted using Valensa's patented deep extract supercritical CO2 process to deliver the Lipidosterolic extract of saw palmetto branded USPlus. A Lipidosterolic extract is a highly concentrated pure oil enriched in fatty acids and nutrients from the source plant, in our case, ripe saw palmetto berries. One of the characteristics of a quality Lipidosterolic extract is that it contains phytonutrients, resulting in a deep, rich color. Over 50 clinical studies have validated the effectiveness of saw palmetto Lipidosterolic extract at a 320 milligram daily dose to support men with lower urinary tract symptoms associated with prostate enlargement. The fatty acids in the extract of saw palmetto have an affinity for the prostate, where they can inhibit the conversion of testosterone to DHT, a hormone involved in prostate enlargement. A Lipidosterolic extract also has anti-inflammatory properties to support bladder function and the ability to urinate. A Lipidosterolic extract is the most validated form of saw palmetto for effectiveness. No clinical evidence exists to support the use of saw palmetto berry powder supplements for urinary tract symptoms. Crushed, unripe green berry powder supplements simply do not have the correct amount or combination of the key nutrients found in high-quality, standardized Lipidosterolic extract to be effective. The nutraceutical industry has been marred by rampant adulteration of botanicals and fake saw palmetto extracts created by blending cheaper palm oils and fatty acids. However, it is easy for the diligent customer to identify fakes by doing detailed analysis and going beyond just DNA testing or total fatty acid. United States Pharmacopoeia has a published monograph for saw palmetto extracts that maps the ratio of 9 fatty acids to lauric acid and sets minimum levels for long-chain fatty alcohols and phytosterols. True saw palmetto extract also has a unique characteristic odor, not easily imitated. Through a sustainable, eco-friendly process, Valensa delivers a high-quality Lipidosterolic saw palmetto extract that meets United States pharmacopoeia requirements. Extracted in a facility compliant with FDA good manufacturing practices and is organic certified. USPlus is the first and only USP verified ingredient that guarantees purity and potency to enable millions of men to have trust in their saw palmetto extract supplement for prostate and lower urinary tract health.